sunny now. Left?
Yeah. Unless you wanted to check that shop out?
No. It's too crowded to shop.
Do I need my sunglasses now?
I guess my bundle is in my bag.
Is it in your bag?
Yeah.
It's alright, it's safe there.
Yeah.
One picture? No, no problem.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have the cover shirt?
Yes. I can't see anything.
See almost parts of the tree have come down. Like you've seen in this.
Do we go the same way yesterday?
Where we came in, I thought was convenient.
But that's
Not that many steps actually.
really alright. What's left still? It's a windy city or windy island. Oh, there's another alley open.
Do you want to go in?
No. No. I'm resisting. I see some of your glasses there. Looks like 15 pounds or something.
I see little ducks for our bathroom.
I just want to move as you rightly recommended. Watch out there. Might be slippery. Slowly, slowly. Make sure that
We can go up or we can go round.
it's okay. You said this was the easiest.
No, we came that way, remember? We didn't
Yeah.
go here. You want to keep going?
Yeah. Unless you want to watch the view. There are benches at the top, huh? Well, at least you can rest. That's all right. Oof. Those drinks.
Going so fast.
The drinks, huh?
Please close your doors and
You know, my camera can be.
no, but it's wind now, it's safe at all. But you should put it around your wrist and you don't lose it.
Come.
Do we stay up here, Freddy? Instead of going down?
We can stay there,
Yeah,
but wait.
stay.
I need to do something special.